What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So, again, we are going to go over the expected moves for the week. Unfortunately, I'll just keep it, or not unfortunately. Got the Chiefs playing, they're already rocking and rolling. Last I checked, it was like 37-7. Who even are the Cardinals anyway? But I imagine that's how this whole thing will go. Uh, no real rants this week. Nothing crazy. If we're talking about the S&P, we got this zone right here that I'm watching. This is what we're talking about on the Don Front show, which we're about to go live for. Futures opened up. This is the candle from today. Nice little push up this at open. We've been open for about an hour now. So I want to see how we interact here. Like, do we base out? Do we reject? I will say just the long and short. If we make a higher low right here, pull back to this, probably gonna take some long positions. But let's rock and roll real quick. Let's get our expected moves. All right, Tesla 54, $15. It's like, never mind. So 15.11 for Tesla. Let's just go through them really fast. As far as SPY goes, we got 10.10, QQQ 986, WM 549. We're gonna call that 550, 549.8. It's fine, good enough. Rock and roll. 549.8 again. Ooh, got outside last week. Got a little mad. Fine. It is 549. We're in the 16th. What we think? What are we pricing in? Pricing everything looking good. So we talked about this last week again. Like, if that's the long, there's the pullback. That did make sense. I was actually leaning a little bearish. I said the bulls have to just show up and start taking names if we're going to think anything otherwise. That's exactly what they did the next day. Like, just came in and didn't take no for an answer. Yeah, I was right here. I was like, man, if we break that, we're not looking good. And that wick literally broke that zone on the futures. And then we just closed. I actually took a short position as soon as we broke. Had my stop in the green, which luckily I did. Because then I woke up overnight. We'd already pushed up. It was already, we were rocking and rolling. 986 for QQQ. Something seems off here. 986. Usually the Qs have a bigger move than SPY. Am I dreaming that up? All right, QQQ. That is, never mind. SPY. 10.10. Close enough. Like I said, short, sweet, to the point. Those are your expected moves for the week. For now, I'm leaning bullish. So any red days, we got the Fed announcement this week. So this could all just be a lead up into that, and then we dump this thing. I will not be the least bit surprised. I will try to capitalize on that. It's not that I could just turn on a dime. It's that I have no problem doing so. If the charts say exactly that, that's exactly what I'll do. So right now, going into this week, I'm thinking bullish. I'm going to buy the red candle. I see any kind of fear, melt off. We start just trending down. It's time to switch gears. Get off that. We don't need to. What do people do? They just leave their ego with it or something. Like they got to be so right that they're long. They went long. The market turned, and they start looking for reasons that they're right and the market's wrong. And it's just not how it works. It's not being flip-floppy, right? You're not Meet Kevin. I understood why Meet Kevin did that. It was just funny. It was finally funny that an investor, that day trading is not profitable and all that, all of a sudden does a couple things a couple day traders might do. Play that trend. Anyway, play the trend. It's not that hard, guys. If right now more green than red, let's just stick to the long positions. When that switches to more red than green, you guessed it, why are you still long? Now, if you have an answer for that question, hey, why are you still long? And you have a solid, not 9 rabbit holes deep question, but this is why I'm buying kind of play. If you have an answer, then there you have it. But if you don't have an answer, or if that answer is BS, maybe we just switch gears. Anyway, I'll wrap it up here. I will see you on Don Franz Show, where we talk about it live, and I'll see you all in the next video.